guys, sorry I'm starting this video super late, but we walking to the beach and it's still a little cloudy outside. Thank you. We had to get passes to go to the beach as well. But hopefully it's not raining. I don't know. Okay, we gotta show these little passes here. Oh, security. Okay. Yes. We finally making it out here. It's mad late, like 4 o'clock p.m. But hopefully the sun come back out a little bit. We'll see. I switched it up. You know, I got the short bob going on. Where we gonna sit at?
That's right here. I'm not trying to go here.
Oh yeah, we had to pay for like the beach chairs, but we got towels. We could probably sit on the towels.
No.
I don't know.
I really don't need one. I'm probably just gonna get wet and I'm just gonna come back and lay down. It's already sunny.
Alright. So we can take pictures.
I'm in the background.
We're gonna walk around, try to find a spot, and then take some photos. And then y'all can see us chilling on the beach.
Oh, look at this.
Like that. What's that? Found a little setup. We're just gonna put our towels down because you gotta pay $6 for those chairs, and we're not doing that. But yeah, it's not as sunny out here. It's still cloudy. It is definitely humid. I'm still sweating like always. Whew. But look at that view. We're over here by the boardwalk because it was less people down this way. Show my cousin her outfit.
That's Sexy Cosmetics Orchid, baby.
Orchid.
Get with it.
Y'all like my hair? Let me know down in the comment section if y'all like this. This is the little bob using Barberstyle 92 straight hair. This is the same hair I had when I had the red hair. I just chopped it into the bob using the little clippers, and I just figured the other hair was like really messy from like when I got in the pool yesterday. So I was like, I don't got time for that. I'm just gonna use this one. But yeah, so we're finna walk in the water a little bit, get our feet wet. So you want to take pictures. We're still trying to find a perfect spot to take pictures, but yeah, that's what we're doing. This is on here like this. And then I got my sunglasses. You know, my little string hanging out the side. And then my little sunglasses. I'm acting like you, so I'm like,
If we have on the same bathing suit, different.
yeah, it's the same bathing
colors.
suit, different colors. Yep.
And it wasn't plain. We just
Well, you got yours. I got mine from Matt Collection. You
Yeah,
got
me
yours.
too.
Oh,
Matt
same
Collection.
place. So, and I do got a link to put down in the description for Matt Collection if you guys want to get the same bathing suit or similar to hers as well. So make sure y'all go down in the description and click that. Still getting dressed. Alright, we finally going in the water. We found a little section. We got seashells all on the ground. This jug is mad deep. Okay, like wait, this is me standing up, right? I want to go on that down there. Show them
That's what I moved. That's what I
We got to swim out there. That jug is mad
Yeah, I'm
deep.
not swimming out there. You go ahead. I'll take pictures.
That jug is mad.
'Cause that's deep.
Look at this.
Beautiful. Fresh sand. Hey.
And look at those rocks down there. Those would be nice. Let me get you.
Oh, okay, it's warming up. This is what I like. It's warming up, okay.
It's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad. But I mean,
The sun is not out. If the sun is out here, we would have been baking, like baking. But we came out here late. It's like 4:30, probably 5 Jamaican time.
yeah,
In the States is different. I think we're an hour behind.
I was behind, yeah.
Yep. Look at the mountain view over there. So pretty and peaceful. Yes. Check out our bathing suits. My hair getting messed up.
Mine's is soap. Hey,
Hey.
we need to go down there. That must be the club we went to. That's the club.
Oh, all the way down there. Oh,
Yeah,
that's the
those the
27 lounge
In Margaritaville.
in Margaritaville. They jamming. You know, party about to start.